what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how the joints are designed in the Vectric software. And what you're going to see is basically a toolpath preview of the software. Let me go ahead and very simply within the Vectric software in our drawing setup, the job setup, basically because the board's carving on the horizontal and the vertical on the end of the table, the layout in the software is a little different. So when I'm laying out the joint, the width of that joint is going to be the thickness of the material. And in this case, it's 3/4 of an inch. The height that goes along the y-axis, that's actually the width of the board. And this board that we're sample cutting in tonight's live event is a 3.5-inch wide board. And then the thickness is just there for the purpose of being able to show it in the 3D view when we're looking at the 3D view so we can see that end cut a little better, that 3-inch thickness and all.